So what do you do if you're still waiting to hear back from PT schools? It's summer right now and fall is just around the corner. You have only a couple months before the cohort's about to begin and you are anxiously biting your nails because you have still not heard a response whether or not they want to move you forward and have you accepted or rejected. You're most likely on the wait list right now. What's up you guys? My name is Dr. Live for Change, Justin Lee, physical therapist. I help students get accepted into physical therapy school and I am really passionate about that. So this video is all about helping you hopefully get out of that wait list and get into that acceptance list. So what can you do right now to help improve your application so that you can get accepted? So there are a couple things, so make sure you are writing notes, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. And if you have been getting value from this video, make sure you smash that like button. So check this out. The first thing that you want to do is definitely make sure you're doing something right now to improve your application. The worst thing that you can do is to literally do nothing since applying. Right? So you applied, you had all of your resume and all of your prerequisites and all of your observation hours done, and then they put you on the wait list, and at this point, I hope you didn't quit your job, I hope you didn't stop taking classes, I hope you're trying to study for the GRE, because at this point, you should be trying to improve your application. Because when they do accept you, or let's say a year from now when you're applying to PT school, you better have something to write about as far as what you're doing to improve your application. Oh my goodness, Leilana is here hosting this video. She's just trying to get a part of this. Leilana, what do you think they have to do to improve their application? All right, y'all. So make sure you're absolutely doing something right now to do your application. Sorry, baby. This is a video for them students, not for you. All right, secondly, what you can do is you can write a letter of interest, continued interest. I don't really recommend this, but students say that they found that this was helpful, and some programs are actually, they find that it helps them know that you're serious, right? So what does this letter actually mean? So this letter is basically showing a letter. It's about like a paragraph or so on an email, and you're just sharing them an email saying, hey, this is what I have been doing this whole time since I applied, and this is what I'm doing to improve my application. I am still interested in your program. Please let me know if there are any ways that I can show you even more interest, because I still want to get accepted into your PT school. All right, Leilana, she really wants to be a part of this video. Here we go, y'all. Okay, so the last thing that you really want to consider when you're thinking about trying to get into PT school is absolutely making sure you're going into those preview sessions. You know, those sessions where they are telling you a little bit more about the program, telling you about, like, they have Zoom sessions or virtual tours, or if they have an in-person location. You absolutely want to go into those places, because guess what? When you go into those sessions or those preview days or those virtual tours, they take note of your name, your email address, all those things, so that when you do apply, they're gonna recognize you. And then guess what? Hip hip hooray! We are getting in, baby. We are getting in, baby. Oh, Leilana, little cameo in today's video. Woo! So if you're still waiting to get into PT school, I really recommend that you try to do these three things, but absolutely make sure the number one priority is to make sure that you're doing something right now to improve your application. Whether that be retaking maybe that C, that class, that prerequisite where you got a C in, maybe a B- is really anchoring your GPA down. Maybe it's the GRE. Maybe you didn't hit that minimum requirement, maybe about 150 in your verbal, 150 in your math, and you just aren't below that, right? So these are some things that you can work on right now to improve your application, so that unfortunately, if things don't work in your favor and you don't get accepted this application cycle, this upcoming application cycle that's gonna open up in just a couple months, you'll know exactly what to write for the application section, where it asks you, this is your second time applying. What have you done in the past to improve your application? Because they are gonna ask that, right, Leilana? Right? Now check this out, y'all. If you are struggling to, oh my goodness, what? I'm about to sell my services right now, Leilana. You are really making this a hard transition. All right. Okay. All right, well, I guess that's the end of this video. Maybe Leilana doesn't want time taken away from my one-on-one services. But if you are interested in doing any one-on-one coaching with me to help improve your application, let me know. Leilana's not gonna like it because it takes time away from her, but I know you'll like it because I'll help you get accepted into physical therapy school. And I am confident that I'll be able to help you just like how I helped other students in the past. Sorry, I know this is really distracting, but maybe this is actually adorable as well. Well, anyway, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you comment below if you have any questions. If you do want to get signed up with that one-on-one coaching, make sure you email me, liftforchange@gmail.com, and I'll teach you more information on all of that. Every day is a great day to lift weights, lift others, and lift yourself up. Lift for change, right, Lele?